Intro tayo. Hi guys!
Ano ka naman mo?
Kape.
Pinalo.
Sa soft drinks muna. Kasi napaot na kami. I'm thirsty. Kasi hindi nila maiintindihan.
Ito shawarma.
Tea.
Ay, may lumaka.
Ice coffee doon na lang sa 2,400.
Kasi paano mo na yung treatment?
Ano tayo, te? With a super hub. Dami ng takoyaki shi with a... Hindi na mo kasi taiyaki. This para sa...
Kaya ka ba magpapangulay? Di ba nung ano pa na isang mga shawarma?
Hi! Hello! Mag-hi kayo. Hi! Hi guys! Today is April 5 and nasa ano kami? Bunuan, Tondaligan. Here. At the spot. Ba't ganito yung mukha ko? Ayan. There's the takoyaki. Takoyaki siren. Kamusta ang tinda dito? What can you say? It is very nice. What can you say?
It's very nice too.
Hotdog sila. Try ano?
Saw her at the terminal. Every sign close and personal. To see your face light up, ooh. She's a lightning mood. Strike sure I'm not careful of boy wonder. Chasing out the sunrise from the city to Tataluga. Don't you steal the thunder. Don't you steal the thunder. Wake up at the right time. Looking at my light. Don't say you the spotlight. On and on, we gotta keep it up. We gotta keep it up. Yeah. Baby, take it out. You got your whole life.
Okay, so we're done eating ulit. So we're done eating sa beach with, with my friends. Maghanap na kami ng drinks.
Hold up, tell me what the hold up is. I'm a little spoiled, I'll be the first to admit it. I'm not you.
Ano sa inyo?
Kakapi ako? Ay, sila. Ay, sa isang flavor lang.
Bumibili po si Puling ngayon.
Ng citrus, kasi gusto niya ng citrus. Pero magkakape ako ito.
Ako din.
Ay, magkakape kami.
Coffee lover po kami.
Yes. Doon sa 2,400.
Yeah.
Coffee.
Healthy kasi si Puling.
True. Going back to the spot. Yeah, kasi because we're going to buy the coffee na. Hala, ba't di ka naka-focus? Ayun.
Kasi mag-focus ka daw sa kanya. Focus on me. Masarap ba? Healthy drink mo, Besh? Yes, healthy living.
Yes, healthy living.
Yes, healthy living. Sana all.
Ako coffee pa rin. Bakit iba talaga yung lighting dito? So we're back at the spot. We're back.
Welcome, ma'am.
Can you treat me coffee? Can you treat me coffee? Because I want coffee. No, I don't have that. Ayun yun.
Ano ang sarap din?
Ang natikman ko dyan, caramel latte. Masarap.
Dalawa nga po ano. Caramel latte po.
Musang.
Kuya, bakit po 400?
Postal code natin dito.
Ba't matagal na kayo?
Start kami no October. Kaya ko lang din.
Okay po. Mag-hi nga kayo po.
Hello.
What if I wake up happy? And what if I wake up sad? Sorry if I said something that made you mad. Wishing that I could call you. Sorry, my service bad. My bad. When I wake up, you're not next to me. Guess I'm missing all your energy. That's all I want. That's all I want. Promise I am not your enemy. I just need another memory. That's all I want. 'Cause all I want is you. Is
Dito si Juan na siya si Juan. Tapos na.
Sige po, pwede.
Hindi, wala. Gaako. Sige, video ko. Kuya, pwedeng ako.
Sige.
Paano mo?
Ay, ko nila nga rin. Basta ako kayo mabuti.
Ganun kain eh.
Arlene Tech Leader.
Manggiw-giw.
Wait lang. Dapat ko nga rin. Ang confident tayo. Diyo ka na? Behind us. Ay, ikaw na ba na
Go!
Yung video mo yun. So nice.
Tiga dagupan talaga kayo.
Opo, born and raised. Kayo, ate.
Tiga mapandan po.
Nice meeting you po.
it takes two. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. All I want is you.
Nice mo ka sila. May cold brew din.
There's a flower in the shade of a real little jealousy.
Sige, gusto ko
Does
yan.
it ever go away? All I want is you to answer me.
Bye. Love you.
Saan?
Bro, isa pang vanilla natin sa akin kasi isa pang angus.
Tika girl.
Yes. With the RAR. Ice caramel latte.
I just need another memory. That's all I want. 'Cause all
Diyan lang.
I want is you. Is you. It takes two. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. All I want is you. Is you. It takes two.
Yung galawan natin na maghintay tayo ng ilang araw.
Ulit. This coffee is so good. Come here, I need your opinion.
Yun yung dinagdag ko sa ano.
What can you
Di ba
say
sabi ko,
about the
nabunan ko muna nung
coffee?
dinagdag ko. Nakakadip kayo sa
What
bahay.
can you say? Hotdog.
Pumunta ako sa Iguana na. Ma'am, pa-check nga ng balance ko. Pagka-check ko, 75
Masarap.
pesos. Pumunta ako sa Isles. Makuha
Sarap.
ng 2,000. Ang balance ko na lang. Transfer.
Bye.
Punta na ito.
That's it.
200 isang
That's the vlog.
Wala kang outro?
Hindi na.
Motor ko. Tatlong kabits with cheese.
Another takoyaki. This is Octobits. Init. Mahangin na.